Go to Elements. Shapes. Select the square. Resize the shape to your liking. Pick a color. Go to Elements. And select Frame. See All. Scroll down to the letter frames. Select the first letter. Resize and move it. Select the second letter. Make it the same size as the first letter. Repeat this for the rest of the letters. Select all the letters to resize and move the entire word. Go to Uploads. Drag the photo you used for the background into the first letter. Double-click on the letter to resize the photo. Make this photo exactly the same size as the background photo. Repeat this for the other letters. And that's how you place a photo inside of a text.